Supposedly, this is not my thing, that these batteries can be jumped that are bad with a volt jump. I've seen people that do 3 batteries in a row. I've seen people that do scissors from one battery to the other. And I've seen people use other things like battery chargers to jump it, and that's what I'm going to do. We'll see. These are batteries that are not charging properly. Got a positive and negative. This is a battery charger.
That's better than I expected.
Yeah, no explosion.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
See if this does something.
Okay.
It's red.
That's green, but that might be because that one's taking the main charge. Remember, it just jumps off each
that
one.
One's staying red. Yeah, it's taking off charge though.
It's definitely on. Now it's going green.
This one. Blinking red. Something wrong with that one. Let's see. There's the positive. Take the positive. Blinking red, and this one not working. We'll do it some more. I feel like I'm working on a heart patient. Hey,
there it goes. Yeah.
This is fairly new. We had problems with it. And now it's blinking green. You know what? It's going to get a jump start whether it needs it. This patient's getting attention whether it needs it.
3.
It gave me problems before.
At least it's not as violent as when you jump start somebody's heart.
They're like Frankenstein. He's alive!
Yeah.
Going green. We're going green. Okay, there you go. That's what I've done. And it seems to have worked, so things you can learn on YouTube are pretty amazing. And hopefully I can share this with other people. It's working for me. So you can jumpstart batteries that won't charge. That doesn't include only Ryobi, it's others also.
Yeah, the ones we saw with scissors were DeWalt and a few other brands.
Might be the old ones. I've had problems with the old ones in the past. So, like Hitachi, Firestorm. It's possible that maybe they just needed that. What I'm understanding is inside the batteries, it has to have a connection all the way through to charge, and it gets a little bit of corrosion. This one guy said whiskers. I don't know if that's an electronic or electric term. Whiskers, not one I've used. But I have used electrical terms and read the, I'm a journeyman / whatever. Read the books, passed the tests, never used whiskers. But whiskers or not, you knock out that electric corrosion by some sort of a jump, and evidently the batteries go a little further. And we'll see. I'll let you know if it ends up being not like a temporary thing. Like here's a pill, you can live a little bit longer.
You can make one more day.
One more day. But hey, when you pay that much money for a battery, one more day is pretty cool.